really, the real reason I'm actually here today, and we brought the whole team in, is...
Hi, my name's Danny. I'm the founder of Foster Love. We're a nonprofit that helps kids in foster care nationwide. We've been able to help hundreds of thousands of kids in every single state in America, and we've created some of the greatest programs, I think, that really serve youth at their core of where they're needed.
Today was so much fun, I think, to check out, obviously, Foster Love headquarters, but also to build skateboards. Just to see it come to life and then know that there's going to be a child that benefits from the skateboard, whether it's transportation to and from school, to see their friends, but also just to really have something of their own.
Well, thank you guys so much from the Safelite team for coming out. We've been working with Safelite for over 10 years now. We've done a lot together, and we're excited about the future.
So we're at your headquarters, and there's no better time to share that really Foster Love has been chosen to be our national partner. Thank you and congratulations.
So the Safelite grant will help enable so much here at Foster Love, from reuniting siblings with their brothers and sisters to creating these beautiful visitation rooms to just activating thousands of volunteers around the country to learn more about the problems in foster care and how they can help.
I know that we've done a ton of work with Foster Love so far, but I think the energy and the excitement around truly working together and being national partners is just the beginning.
Thank you so much, Safelite, for joining us. We're so excited to have you all, especially on such a huge year for us as we're celebrating our 1 millionth child, knowing that you all played a part from our 1,000th child to our 1 millionth. So we're excited, proud, and we're really looking forward to all of this.